welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something absolutely unexpected. A concept car from Cadillac that looks like it came straight out of a sci-fi movie. It's wild, it's luxurious, and it's built to go off-road. Imagine mixing a rally-ready racer with a 5-star luxury spa, and you get Cadillac's latest concept, a vehicle that redefines what luxury performance can look like. So what exactly is it? This is Cadillac's new off-road-inspired Celestiq-based concept, a bold experiment that combines opulent velocity, Cadillac's words, with true go-anywhere capability. It's part futuristic EV, part rugged explorer, and it hints at how Cadillac envisions high-end mobility in the electric age. The first thing that hits you is the design. The stance is wide and athletic, the wheels are massive, and the body lines flow like a luxury coupe. But look closer, and you'll see rally-style fender flares, protective cladding, and ground clearance that says this car isn't afraid to get dirty. The contrast between the sculpted aluminum panels and black carbon accents makes it look both elegant and ready for action. Underneath that sleek exterior lies advanced electric all-wheel drive, likely using an Ultium battery platform similar to the Celestiq. While Cadillac hasn't shared full specs yet, the concept suggests power numbers that could easily top 600 horsepower, delivering instant torque across all 4 wheels. It's engineered to feel at home both on a twisty canyon road and a dirt trail in the desert. Cadillac calls it a day spa on wheels, and that's no exaggeration. It's the kind of concept that imagines the driver not just as a racer, but as someone who values relaxation as much as adrenaline. And that duality, extreme capability with supreme comfort, is what makes this vision so fascinating. Beyond the design and tech, this concept represents Cadillac's confidence in the future of American luxury. It shows that EVs don't have to be sterile or minimalist. They can be bold, emotional, and powerful. This vehicle could be a preview of Cadillac's next generation of ultra-luxury performance EVs that push the limits of both creativity and engineering. So, will this wild off-road luxury machine ever hit production? Probably not in this exact form, but elements of it, from the materials to the design language and drive technology, will almost certainly influence upcoming Cadillac models. And that's the exciting part. Cadillac isn't just chasing Tesla or Lucid anymore. It's carving its own path, one that mixes artistry, adventure, and opulence in a way no one else is doing. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this breakdown of Cadillac's latest concept, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Would you take this wild machine through the desert or just park it in your private showroom? Either way, this one's a glimpse of the electric future, Cadillac style.